I am Jen McClure and I teach the baking and pastry program here at Fox Valley Tech. I teach everything from science of baking, where we talk about ingredients every week and how they work, to advanced cake decorating 2. We've got 3 cakes classes. Those are the majority of mine, but I also teach baking and pastry 1 and 2. Those are like management class type situations. Before I became a teacher here, I actually was working at a bakery in Vegas. I've been here for 10 years, in Wisconsin for a little over 11. My favorite thing to bake? It's not cake. I like decorating cake. But my favorite thing to bake, I love making pretzel rolls, that type of bread thing. I guess sort of what I'm imparting on now to the students about letting things go is how she put it. And it was teach people what you know so that they can help you and you can make everything in the bakery work smoother and better.
Vacation, beach or mountains? Beach. Time of year, winter or summer?
Winter.
City or country?
City.
Fiction or nonfiction?
Nonfiction.
Messy desk or clean desk?
Clean desk.
Cat person or dog person?
Dog person.
Morning person or night owl?
Night owl.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Pie.
And what's the last TV show that you binge watched?
Ooh, the last one that I binge watched, it was The Bear.